GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Press the bell notification below the video. You'll find some links here. Say join free Telegram channel. Go and join free Telegram channel. If you want some free signals every now and then, check out the brokers and perform right here. If you want to trade with my signals, sign up with these brokers. I want you to have a separate account, separate data accuracy and all that. So if and when you start trading with my signals, so open a separate account, subscribe, like, do the lights. It's all for you. It's your job, not mine. You're getting so much information for free, which is worth for thousands of dollars. So at least you can do that. Subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. Coming back to the chart here, starting the weekly time frame or the top down approach, we have broken the previous week's high. We are going down surely. Okay. So as per the weekly time frame, we are supposed to go down. I could be wrong. This can merely be a pullback of this trend, and we might go up. Time will tell. So let's forget about weekly. Let's come back to daily. In daily, I think new downtrend has started. Okay, so we might take a pullback, and then we will continue touching the EMA. Okay, so our entry should be what? Let's see in 4 hour. What is our entry? In 4 hour, we are below the EMA. Okay, so if you go and check out my video from last video on GBPUSD, which I recorded, I think maybe yesterday, I don't know when. Okay, so go and check out my last GBPUSD video, in which I told you that the price will touch the EMA, then it will reject it, and then we will have a red candle, and that is what your entry will be. Okay, so if you did not enter your trade here, you could enter maybe on Monday morning when the market opens, and then take your profits at here, and that's your free money. We are in the downtrend for now in GBPUSD, as you can see. So this was the new downtrend. It was a maybe 50% pullback or maybe 38%, but anyways, because I am using the EMA, so I knew. So again, you go and watch my last video on GBPUSD. I clearly told you that we will touch down the EMA, then we will have the rejection, and then we will have the confirmation red candle, and that's where you will enter and you will take your 1:2 ratio. Okay, but if you enter sell now, take your profits here and get lost. That's free money for you on table. Okay, free money because of me. Anyways, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, blah blah blah, join Telegram and sign up with the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.